Friends, I am Dr. Surajit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Aloe. Full name Aloe Socotrina. Common name Socotrina aloe. Source plant, vegetables. Vegetable kingdom. Therapeutic uses of aloe: skin disease, headache, piles, diarrhea, dysentery, constipation, colic, cough, etc. Spheres of action of aloe: it acts upon nervous system, portal system, blood and skin with special affinity to liver and intestine. Temperament: bilious. Hot or chilly? Hot. Mental journals of aloe. They are dissatisfied and angry upon themselves. They means the patients. Disinclined to mental labor. Hate people, repel all. Out of humor when constipated. Worse in cloudy weather. Life is burden to them. Trembling from music and other noises. Physical journals of aloe. Establishes physiological equilibrium when disease and drug symptom are mixed. Discharges from orifice gelatinous. This line is very important line. Establishes physiological equilibrium when disease and drug symptom are mixed. Sometimes the disease symptoms and the drug symptoms are so mixed up that the whole system goes out of order. In that case, aloe establishes the physiological equilibrium and discharges from orifice gelatinous. Always in case of aloe, as we see in dysentery like symptom. Periodic headache alternating with lumbago. Removes bad effect of sedentary habit. General weariness and weakness. A real friend of old weary beer drinkers. A real friend of old weary beer drinkers. Heat felt externally, internally chill. Much emotional, chat, laugh, dance and sing. That is, he is very in a hilarious condition. General aggravation amelioration of aloe. Worse: heat, damp weather, summer, early morning. After dysentery, yawning, mastication, stepping hard, evening. After drinking and eating, better in cool open air, cold application, passing flatus, closing eyes, taking stimulants. Head symptoms of aloe. Headache alternating with abdominal or lumbar problem. Headache better from closing eyes. Heavy pressure on vertex. Aching over forehead with heaviness in eyes better. With heaviness in eyes better from closing eyes. As you see in the picture. Vertigo with sense of insecurity. Eye symptoms of aloe: pain deep in eyeball, flickering from before eyes, closes eyes to get relief from pain of forehead. Ear symptoms: cracking sensation when chewing. Nose symptoms: tip of the nose cold, bleeding from nose in bed after awakening. Face symptoms of aloe: lips dry, red, crack and bleed, pain while chewing or yawning. Just note this picture. What is the condition of lip? Mouth symptoms of aloe: taste is bitter and sour, tongue, mouth dry. Throat symptoms of aloe: hawking of thick jelly-like mucus, raw, swollen feeling in throat. Stomach symptoms of aloe: hungry after stool, irritation with oppression in stomach, aversion to meat, desire for juicy fruits like apples, oranges and salty foods. Pain in the pit when making false step. Pain in the pit when making pit means the pit of the stomach actually. The pit of the stomach. That is just beneath the sternum bone. Urinary symptoms of aloe: incontinence in old men, prostate enlarged whenever the patient passes urine, feeling as if thin stool would escape with it. Urine hot. Abdomen symptoms of aloe: Children go around the house leaving little hard round marble wall like stool. It's a very uh, funny situation. The children say aged about one or like he is going around the house leaving little hard round marble like stool here and there. And as weak ooges mucus, uncertain whether stool or gas will come. Stool comes out when flatus or urine is passed. Rambling, gurgling in bowels. Sudden urging, sense of insecurity, then suddenly passes a gushing water stool. There is diarrhea also. And also, we'll see, there will be dysentery also. Diarrhea with pain in rectum after stool. Stool lilienteric. Lilienteric means with undigested food particles. Marshy, lumpy, watery, gelatinous, bloody. Solid stool passes involuntarily. I already said. Diarrhea after eating oysters in hot summer. Diarrhea dysentery of beer drinkers. A lot of mucus pass, pain in rectum after stool. Pile like a bunch of grapes, prolapsing, better by cold application. Burning, stitching in anus and rectum from piles preventing sleep. Stool and flatus hot. Pulsation in rectum after eating. Abdomen full, heavy, hot, bloated. Pain from navel to rectum. Sensation of plaque between symphysis pubis and coccyx. Symphysis pubis and coccyx I will explain very soon. With urging for stool. Heaviness in hypogastrium in rectum, prolapse of rectum. Heaviness in hypogastrium. Hypogastrium is a region. This is the region of hypogastrium. The whole abdomen is divided into 9 quarters. This is epigastrium or epigastric. Right hypochondrium, left hypochondrium. This is umbilicus or umbilical region. Left lumbar region or left and right lumbar region. Right iliac region, left iliac region, and hypogastric. Hypogastric is also known as hypogastrium. And pubis and coccyx. See, this is the coccyx bone. This is the this blue portion is the coccyx. This is coccyx. Just coccyx is sacrum. This is sacrum. This is sacrum bone. After sacrum comes coccyx. Ekdom tailbone, just tailbone. At the end of this tailbone, and in the forward, I mean when these two bones are two bones come forward and they meet. Where they meet is called pubis. Pubis is just above the root of our genitalia. That is the place of pubis. Male genital syndrome aloe. Sexual irritation after eating, involuntary emission after siesta. Siesta means day sleep, small day sleep. Female symptom aloe. Climacteric hemorrhage. There is hemorrhage when the menstrual period of women naturally cease. Menses too early, too long lasting. Liquoria of bloody mucus preceded by colic. Dysentery after parturition. Parturition is delivery of child. Heavy sensation in uterus with level-like pain felt in groin and hips, worse from standing and during menses. Respiratory symptoms of aloe. Winter cough with itching sensation in chest. Difficult respiration with stitches from liver to chest. Cough when you would sit down with tear from eyes. Cough also when you would stand up. Neck and back symptoms of aloe. Lumbago alternating with headache and piles. Pain in sacrum, worse while sitting, better from walking. Extremity symptom of aloe. Drawing pain in the joints, lameness in all the limbs. Soles are painful when walking on pavement. Sleep symptoms of aloe. Dream of soiling, that is soiling one's dress, soiling oneself. Complementary sulfur related lilientric, podophyllum, sepia and sulfur. Before winding up, keynotes of aloe once more. Keynotes means the minimum number of symptoms by which aloe can be identified. Profuse and jelly-like mucus from all mucous membranes, especially of intestine and throat. Hot patient, worse from heat or warmth, better from cold weather, cold things. Dissatisfied and angry with himself, especially when constipated. Solid stool passes involuntarily. Diarrhea followed by obstinate constipation. Want of confidence and power in sphincter any. Piles like a bunch of grapes, bluish. These each bleed and sore and tender hot. piles better from cold application. With this the video ends. Thanks for listening viewing. If you got any problem, please write down in the comment section. I will certainly respond.